It is speculated that on September 9th, Apple will unveil the highly anticipated iPhone 16 series at an event. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has already attracted a lot of attention for its cutting-edge features, such as the largest display and battery in the series, is probably going to lead the lineup. Prospective customers are interested in the new desert titanium color choice that was revealed by a recent leak. TechBoiler posted a video on YouTube that appears to be a mock-up of the new color option for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The dummy model appears to have a more brownish tint combined with a matte textured back and chrome-finished side rails, a design language identical with the previous Pro model, in contrast to earlier leaks that suggested a gold hue. The iPhone 16 Pro Max appears to have a similar design to its predecessors, featuring the same action, power, and volume buttons. But it also seems to reveal a new button that is only available on this year's flagship models. It's thought to be a capture button. It is anticipated that the back panel would still have the recognizable triple camera arrangement with an LED flash, upholding Apple's reputation for consistent design. There are rumors that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will have a 6.9-inch display, possibly with the narrowest bezels available in smartphones. The device may be powered by Apple's new A18 Pro chipset, which is believed to bring better AI capabilities through Apple Intelligence, considerably enhancing performance and user experience. This is supposed to offer a more immersive viewing experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is anticipated to bring significant improvements to the photography sector. It might include a 48-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a greater quality in addition to the telephoto lens that was first included with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Photographers who are seeking for a smartphone with the best camera performance are probably going to welcome these updates, with the iPhone 16 Pro Max reportedly sporting a 4,676 mAh battery, a big upgrade over the 4,442 mAh battery of its predecessor. A substantial increase in battery capacity is also anticipated. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.